We call it the window anomaly detection. This solution is highly integrated Azure IoT Edge, IoT Hub, and Azure Machine Learning, custom vision. Also include Advantech device sound as a device management, operation management, and the data aggregation. So this solution is designed for the digital signage vendor. In some cases, the in-car content freeze. In some cases, the content is blocked by the window update message or the error message. So we try to fix that problem. That's why we leverage the Azure machine learning to figure out and to recognize such an issue. And through our device to notify our customer from the remote side. So our customer can remote maintain this issue. I think the security is very, very important in the IoT security. Moreover, the security is the foundation when you start to build up your IoT solution in the beginning. That's why we leverage the Azure IoT Edge and IoT Hub as the cloud solution. From the device side, we also integrate the TPN and some of the Azure Sphere for our solution on the device. If you want to build up your AIoT solution, and the embedded computer is one of your key components, please contact us. Our device sound provide specific for the device management and operation management, BIOS update, etc. We also provide the API to help you to integrate your solution not only on the cloud side but also on the edge. I'm so glad to be here and to demonstrate our solution, what we have done so far. And I think that there are the two values we got so far. First one is we got a lot of feedback from our customer, and some of the suggestions are quite useful for our next iteration. And the next value, I think we saw a lot of the partnership opportunity. So we will contact them after this event. We have been working with Microsoft more than a decade. I think in recent year, the Microsoft have been improved a lot, especially on the user experience and the easy integration. So that's why we leverage Azure machine learning to it provide a couple of the pre-trained model, AI document, and open source the example to help our engineer to integrate their solution the more easy. I think there are two major Azure services that are quite important and will change the IoT landscape. The first one is the IoT plug and play. As you might know, the plug and play is the fundamental protocol for the digital twin. And then the digital twin will be the connection between the virtual world and the physical world. So that's the most important one. The second one is, as I just mentioned, Azure Machine Learning, they provide more and more the pre-trained model, AI document, and some of the sample code for our engineer to reduce their error to develop their solution. So both of them, I think, will change the IoT landscape. Advantech is a B2B company. Our customer is a domain-focused system integrator. That is why we want to provide our solution to accelerate our customer to achieve their IoT solution more quickly. So that's why Advantech provides many kinds of the solution-ready package for the different vertical markets. So that solution, I think, will accelerate the time to market for next 3 to 5 years.